What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, please can you like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. This one I'm continuing on from, a few months on, a year on, 6 months on, whatever you want to call it. This particular pair is 6 months on. It's a triple white Air Max 95 that I got in around April, early April I'd say. So this was definitely, a pair that I needed for the summer. It's always good. I love white trainers for summer, man. I love white trainers for summer. Like, I need a white pair for the summer. And so yeah, so I purchased these in April. Summer. I don't really care if I beat up my trainers because they're made to be worn. So what I did was obviously wore them, cleaned them up, kept them kind of fresh, but I didn't care at the same time. And I definitely wanted to make this video kind of just showing you 6 months on. So 6 months on from purchasing them, the condition and stuff. So as you can see, they are kind of dirty and whatever, but that's because I didn't clean them. I will show you them kind of clean throughout the course of the video. So the sole, as you can see, all the little dots have come off. There's actually one little dot left, which is kind of funny. So not much wear at all. The bottom isn't foggy like the whole way. Some pairs, the more you wear them, it gets kind of foggy or whatever. I can see that there's something hanging off of them. What is that? It's actually a spider. Nice. Yeah, that needs to go. So yeah, relatively good. If I clean them up, it could change the color. I haven't cleaned them up at all. Midsole, white midsole, but as you can see, it's got dirt marks and stuff, obviously from being worn, and I haven't really cleaned them. I think I've only cleaned them once. The white leather, as you can see, is kind of dirty, whatever. Toe box, so this is the bit that always gets mashed up. You can see a bit of marks and stuff. I'm not sure if they're full on scuffs. We'll have to see in a minute. And then again, dirty, not so dirty. Like, if I kept them better condition or whatever, they would definitely be a lot cleaner. But at the same time, I don't care, because like, I've gone out in these, I've spent like days out in these, like walking around and stuff, because they're just so comfortable. So I literally kind of beat them, or tried to beat them, or whatever you want to call them. Didn't really care about keeping them fresh or not. But what we'll do is we'll just check out how they are once I give them a clean. So I've got a few antibacterial wipes. These are not sneaker wipes, these are literally household wipes. I don't have any sneaker wipes, and I don't really feel like buying any, to be honest. So what I'll do is I'll just get a few off here. Literally got a few. And then what we'll do is we'll start off with, I don't know, the upper, a bit easier. Just give them like, not the deepest, as you can see, look, that's still going to be there, whatever, but just give them a quick wipe down. The toe box might need a bit more elbow grease. I really didn't plan to clean my sneakers on camera today. These are actually apple wipes. They smell like apples. That's a fact. So that is definitely like scuffs or marks or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, scuffs. So as you can see, it's like the top layer of the leather has kind of been scuffed up. That's what they kind of look like. Let's give them a quick once over. This is literally a wipe, just a household cleaning wipe. It's nothing major. And then now, like, the kind of, the tougher bits, they mostly come off, all the dirt, but obviously that will need a bit more scrubbing. But the dirt mostly has come off by just giving it literally a couple of wipes. Freshen it up considerably. you know. But yeah, so I'm really happy at the way that these hold up. Obviously, scuffs will happen, and what I don't like is obviously this bit getting all dirty and stuff. But they're white, so you gotta kind of expect it. It's just a kind of a thing that comes with buying whites, sneakers, white trainers, whatever you want to call them, or these. So I'd say in 6 months, durability, they've held up quite well. Like if I fully gave them a clean, probably, gave them clean with some cleaning solution, and then stuck them in the washing machine on a cold wash, which is very important. So like a cold, just on a strict cold wash. Just clean them. It'll probably make them white again. We can try that, but obviously I'm not gonna do that all in the video, etc. Because that'll be a long video. But yeah, so they look quite good. They've held up quite well. Majorly comfort. So day to day, just under some tracksuit bottoms, running errands, still holding up quite well. I'll give them a clean and see what they're like after, but definitely have held up well. So I'm happy with them. Price point, obviously, a lot of people tend to not agree with these days, but it's just something that comes with the game. Something that we can't really control, which is quite annoying. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't really have too much else to cover today. Just gotta literally show you what they look like on foot in the moment, and then you can see if you like them. Has anyone else got a cleaner, fresher pair like that they've used for like 6 months? Because I've done this kind of careless, carefree. It's just more of a video informational, just to tell you if you should buy them, if you shouldn't, like, so you can make up your own mind. If you like the way they hold up, I say I can still wear these. I've worn them to the gym and stuff as well, so definitely can still wear these. Just make them a gym shoe. It's whatever. But yeah, tell me if you like them, if you don't like them, if you hate them, if you rate them, whatever. Wait a few moments for the on-foot video, and as always, if you made it this far, thank you for the support. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And the most important thing is, take care, people.